Hi, I'm Rachel from Away with the Fairies, and I know a lot of you might be stuck at home with the kids at the moment and looking for some things to do. So I thought it might be nice to make a few easy fairy garden makes. I'm going to make a series of videos over the next little while, and at the end we're going to put everything together in a gorgeous fairy garden that you can be really proud of. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some fairy stepping stones. Going to have 2 or 3 different techniques. So I popped out into the garden and just picked up some pebbles. Hopefully you might have access to some stones or pebbles. I picked out some nice smooth ones, which are going to be great for our purposes today. So I painted one. Here's one that's nice and dry that I did earlier with acrylic paint. Which you might have at home, or if not, you can pick it up really cheaply from an online craft store. The great thing about acrylic is it's water-based, but once it's dry, it's brilliant for outdoor use. So you've got your rock painted, or if you like, you can also leave it natural, just depends the look you want to go for. Obviously I'm painting all my rocks pink because that's my favourite colour, but you know, it'd be lovely to have a multicoloured array of rocks. Then all you need is some permanent markers, Sharpies or something similar. So just going to write some nice little inspirational messages on our stepping stones. Now you don't have to paint the rocks if you don't want to, you can just keep them natural, which is also nice. So I'm going to write on this one. Okay, might go for love on this one. Okay. So here's a variety of little stepping stones I've made, just to give you a few ideas. So you saw the first idea for stepping stones, and the second one I've got is using some air drying clay, which you might have at home already, or you can purchase really cheaply online. The nice thing about the clay is you can press things into it. So first of all, I'm just going to pinch off a little bit off the corner, and then I'm going to roll it into a ball. I'm going to smooth out the surface a bit, and then I'm going to add some sequins. Press the sequins into the clay. Obviously try and press them in fairly hard so that they stick. So I'm just going to sprinkle some sequins onto this one. Might have gone a bit over the top there, but more is more, right? The last thing I'm going to show you is just making impressions in the clay using natural materials. So I've just popped out into the garden and picked up some leaves, a stick. Feathers might be nice as well. If you're picking leaves, try and get something that's quite fibrous, so it's going to make a good impression. Just press your leaf in and then peel it away, and that is really lovely. That's come out really nicely. And then I might just put the stick, just a little bit of willow with buds on, maybe across the edge. I'll try this little leaf as well. And then peel that off. Yeah, that's going to be really nice when it's dry. So that's today's make. I hope you've really enjoyed it. We did some lovely stepping stones with cute little images and wording on, and then we made some out of clay with sequins and leaves, etc. So I hope you've really enjoyed it. It's going to be a really fun project to do with the kids. And as I said earlier, everything is going to go together at the end of the series into a fantastic fairy garden that you're going to be really proud of. Thanks for watching.